Every time you mop your hardwood floors with soapy water, something is happening to the wood that you cannot see in the moment but will absolutely see over time. The finish is dulling. The fibers are swelling. The surface that was supposed to last decades is aging faster than it should. And the solution that cleans better, protects the wood, and costs almost nothing is sitting in your kitchen right now waiting to be brewed. Today, we change how you clean your floors forever. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring the notification bell, because hardwood floors are one of the most valuable surfaces in any home, and what you clean them with matters far more than most people realize. The damage happening in plain sight. Let me tell you about a type of damage that is invisible in the moment it is being caused, and only reveals itself slowly, over months and years, in the cumulative result of a cleaning habit that seemed completely reasonable at the time. Hardwood floors cleaned regularly with soapy water or general-purpose floor cleaners develop a progressive dullness, such as a loss of the warm, rich luster that made the wood beautiful when it was first laid or refinished. The grain loses its depth. The surface develops a flat, slightly cloudy appearance. The wood looks clean after mopping, but never looks quite as good as it once did, and each successive clean seems to subtract a little more of the quality that was there before. Why black tea? The science behind the trick. Black tea contains tannic acid, a naturally occurring polyphenol compound produced through the oxidation of tea leaves during processing. Tannic acid has a specific and remarkable affinity for wood. It binds to the lignin and cellulose compounds in wood fibers, temporarily darkening and enriching the color of the wood surface in a way that enhances the grain's natural depth and warmth. This is the same chemistry that makes tea a historical wood stain. Tannic acid reacts with the iron compounds naturally present in wood to produce a warm, rich tonal enhancement that commercial wood polishes attempt to replicate with synthetic compounds. The method. Brewing your floor cleaner. Brew 4 to 6 black tea bags in 1 liter of boiling water, strong tea. It should be the color of dark amber, not pale gold. The concentration matters because you will be diluting it into your mop bucket, and the tannin concentration needs to remain sufficient after dilution to deliver the enhancement effect on the wood surface. Allow the tea to cool completely before use. This is not optional. Hot or even warm liquid applied to hardwood floors causes the wood fibers to swell, the same damage mechanism that makes steam mopping so destructive to hardwood surfaces. Cool tea applied with a well-wrung mop delivers cleaning and tannin enhancement without any of the moisture damage that hot or wet application causes. The long-term effect. What consistent black tea cleaning does for your floor. Here is what changes in a hardwood floor maintained with black tea cleaning over months and years rather than soap. The absence of cumulative soap residue means the wood finish maintains its integrity. The microscopic film that was building with every soapy mop application simply does not exist. The regular tannin application has a gentle, cumulative conditioning effect on the wood. Not a dramatic transformation with each clean, but a consistent maintenance of the wood's natural richness that compounds over time into a floor that looks better after 2 years of black tea cleaning than it did at the start. This is the opposite of the trajectory that soap cleaning produces, where the floor looks progressively worse over the same period despite being cleaned regularly and consistently. Your hardwood floors are one of the most beautiful and most valuable surfaces in your home. They were designed to last generations, and to age gracefully, to develop character, and to remain as an asset rather than a liability throughout the life of your home. Soap cleaning was working against that design at every mop application, leaving residue, dulling the finish, stripping natural oils, and aging the surface faster than wear alone would. Black tea cleans without residue, enhances without chemicals, protects without coating, and costs the price of 4 tea bags per clean. Brew the tea tonight, let it cool, wring the mop until barely damp. Clean in the direction of the grain. Watch the floor dry to a warmth and clarity that your soap mop has not produced in years. That is what your floors have been waiting for. And now you know exactly how to give it to them. If this changed how you think about cleaning the most beautiful surface in your home, hit the like button right now. Subscribe and ring the notification bell so floor care and home discoveries like this always find you first. Share it with someone whose hardwood floors deserve better than what soap has been doing to them. Click the link in the description box for highly recommended natural cleaning products, cleaning equipment, and cleaning supplies. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.